Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 5, we can put into 1 plus 4. Because I want to create about identity in here. So we have 2x minus 1 everything to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about 2x minus 1 equals to number 2 tan t. Because if we put this one go in here, we have 4 tan t squared because we have the power 2. Number 4, we can do about factorization. Tan t squared plus 1, we change for secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by the square root. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have 2ds equal to 2 secant of t squared dt. We divide both sides by number 2. So we put this one go in here. ds we change for this one. So this one we change for 4 tan t squared. Number 4, we can do about factorization. And this one we change for secant of t squared. The square root of number 4 secant of t squared, we have number 2 secant of t. So we put number 2 outside. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equal to secant of t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have du equals to secant of t tan t dt. Next, we have dv equals to secant of t squared dt. So if we do this integration, we have v equals to tan t. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have secant of t tan t minus du multiplied by v. So we have the integration secant of t tan t squared dt. About tan t squared, we change for secant of t squared minus 1. And now we need to expand this one in here. So we have secant of t to the power of 3 dt plus the integration secant of t dt. And this one, we know that this is equals to this one in here. And we change this one into secant of t to the power of 3. So we put this one go to the right. So this one plus this one, so we have number 2. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. So we know that this one in here, we have number 2. So we put this one go in here. So we simplify number 2 with 1 over 2. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 2. About t, we have r tan of this one. So we put this one to replace for t. We have tan of r tan, we have 2s minus 1 over 2. Similar for this one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.